Hi guys, today I have OnePlus 12R and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Firstly, open settings application, no this one. In it, mobile network and there our data usage. And first function data usage limit. Now we can set it, we can set when our usage plan start, maybe first day of each month. There we can set daily data usage limit, we can turn on it and custom it in gigabytes, megabytes, how many you want. Maybe we set 600 megabytes per day, and when we use it we get only alert, or we can get alert and our data will be turned off maybe. And after we set all, we click done to confirm, and there we can set monthly data usage limit, we can turn on it. And the same story, we can custom it, maybe 10 gigabytes we set, and there we can set our that when we used it we get only alert and our data will be turned off. Also we can set data warming when we use maybe 10 gigabytes. After we set all, we click done to confirm, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.